Perched on a rugged headland along the stunning Tweed coast, Hastings Point Lookout offers one of the most spectacular ocean views in northern New South Wales. From the lookout, you can see the vast Pacific Ocean stretching endlessly to the horizon, with waves rolling in over rocky outcrops and the golden sands of Hastings Point Beach below. This is the perfect spot to take in the magic of sunrise or sunset, as the sky transforms into a canvas of soft pastels or fiery gold. Locals and visitors alike come here to sit, reflect, and watch surfers carve through the waves or dolphins cruising by offshore. The headland is easily accessible with nearby parking and a short walk to the viewing area, making it an ideal stop for families, travellers, and photographers alike. Whether you're here for a quiet picnic, a morning walk, or to simply breathe in the fresh sea air, Hastings Point Lookout captures the essence of coastal New South Wales, where the sea, sand, and bushland meet in perfect harmony. It's one of those special places that reminds you how beautiful and peaceful Australia's coastline truly is. Don't forget to enjoy the little moments in life, like what you see. Subscribe now and keep exploring Australia with us, one adventure at a time.